In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Fibonacci retracement correctly in TradingView and set up the golden zone. Before we begin, remember that Fibonacci retracement helps you identify potential pullback areas within a trend. It works best when you start with a clear trend and well-defined swing points. With your chart open in TradingView, look to the left toolbar and select the Fib retracement tool. It might be listed as Fibonacci retracement in your drawing tools. Once selected, your cursor will be ready to anchor the retracement to key points on your chart. If the market is in an uptrend, start by clicking the swing low. This is the most recent obvious low before price moved higher. Then, drag your cursor up to the swing high and release. Try to anchor at the tip of the wicks for precision, especially if you want to capture the full range of the move. You should now see horizontal levels appear across your chart, each representing a percentage retracement of that move. If the market is in a downtrend, do the same process in reverse. Click the swing high first, then drag down to the swing low, and release. Again, use clear pivots so your levels reflect the real structure of price. This will align the tool with the direction of the trend and make the retracement levels meaningful. Next, double-click the Fibonacci retracement you just placed to open the Settings panel. Head to the Style tab. Here, make sure the levels 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618 are enabled. These are the most commonly watched levels for pullbacks, with 0.382 and 0.618 derived from the Fibonacci sequence, and 0.5 representing a classic midpoint retracement. Confirm they're visible so you can easily reference them on your chart. Now focus on the area between 0.382 and 0.618. This zone is often called the golden zone. Traders watch this area closely because price frequently pauses, reacts, or reverses here during a pullback within a trend. In an uptrend, it can act as a potential support area. In a downtrend, it can act as potential resistance. It doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it gives you a logical region to monitor for confirmation signals based on your trading plan. Once everything looks good, click OK to apply your settings and lock in those levels. That's it. You've placed a Fibonacci retracement correctly and highlighted the golden zone so you can evaluate pullbacks with more confidence. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for